Human-nature interaction. Human activities can have significant impacts on the balance of nature. Practices such as deforestation, pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction can disrupt ecosystems and lead to biodiversity loss. Resilience. A balanced and diverse natural environment is more resilient to disturbances, including extreme weather events, diseases, and other challenges. Resilient ecosystems are better able to recover and adapt to changes. Preserving the balance of nature is essential for the long-term health and sustainability of the planet. Conservation efforts, sustainable resource management, and environmental protection policies are important strategies to help maintain this balance and ensure a healthy planet for future generations.